I bought the only legal R34 Skyline in Kansas. And my mission in life is to make sure there's none, so I'm taking it to Texas. And there's one thing for sure, if this Skyline doesn't kill me in the future, I know this summer heat will. I was drenched for just breathing outside. Yup, that ain't going nowhere. Once she was secured, we're ready to hit the road. We just hit Oklahoma and we got a group of 3 people cheering me on. We're breaking so many necks on our way to Texas, and the drive was going perfect until the tire popped. And we were only 45 minutes away. But that should be no problem to me, so let's get started. We're gonna find the emergency kit and lower the tire from the truck. And now comes the biggest mistake of my night. Dude, what the f? I broke the valve stem dragging the tire on the floor. When I pushed it back in, it stopped leaking, so I thought it could take me a little bit further, so I proceeded to change the tires. In my mind, I was thinking, could I just drive it home like that? I mean, it did stop leaking air.
I just changed the spare, but unfortunately, it's a little bit low. Now we need to find a gas station for an air pump, and hopefully that's good enough for the rest of the trip.
Luckily, we were only 5 minutes from a gas station, and the air pump was working until... I post my luck on my IG story.
The homie PJ, he just texted me. I uploaded it on my story and he's like, yo, where you at? Let's hope his spare tire does have air and we can go home.
While working on the truck, some high schoolers try to jump me.
His username underscore AF.
Found him!
Oh, yeah.
He's 203. 203. I'm subscribing.
Thank you. Shout out to PJ.
What's up, bro? What's up, y'all?
He came and helped me at midnight, or it's 1 a.m. right now. He brought his spare, airing it up, and I think I'm gonna make it home.
You're gonna make it home, bro.
The only way I could explain how I was feeling is when Brian saved Dom in Fast and the Furious.
Get it!
It looks like it got enough air. Got the Skyline back. Let's go home.
And we finally made it home, where the Skyline will live on jack stands for the rest of its life.